Guess who? No feathers? No feathers? Still no feathers? Where the heck are all the feathers? Hello?
Hey, Woody! Are you ready? The parade starts in 5 minutes.
I know. I need some peacock feathers to finish my mask, but the stores are all sold out.
Well, try the jungle. We don't have peacocks in Brazil. But you never know who's going to come to Carnaval.
Hey, a peacock! Am I lucky or what?
This is the life.
I consider this a loan.
Ow, ow, ow. Ooh. Well, who does that and takes my... Why would you... Who does that? Give me those back, you red-headed rustler!
No, wait! I stole them fair and square.
You feather-stealing feather stealer! Free food? I'll bite the free food, yeah. Who's cooking the popcorn?
Oh boy, feathers!
A wise guy, huh? Gimme them tail feathers.
Hey, I need those. They're mine.
No, mine.
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 Yours.
No, yours.
I say they're yours.
You take it or I will punch you in the beak.
Oh, well, okay, if I gotta.
Guess I showed that know-it-all woodpecker a thing or... Hey! Thought you could pull a fast one on me, did ya? You have to get up pretty early in the morning to put one over on this peacock.
Oh, yeah? Well, I got up at 11:30 this morning. Is that early enough?
Not even.
My feathers!
Outsmarted you, did I? You!
I'm gonna do you! Give him a left and a right and another right and 2 more of those! What? I'm your biggest fan. Hey, that's my trademark! My awesome crest! Hey, ya pal. Good to see you again. And now, it's time to train this guy.
Beat it, bub.
Sorry to drop in, but I think you have something in mind, woodpecker bird. Hey, dum-dee-dee-dum-dee-dee.
Holy cow! It's almost parade time. I better quit fooling around. I'm here! Boy, what a woodpecker's gotta do to get some feathers around here.
Great mask! I can't even tell it's you behind it.
Wait a minute, you can't? Hey, this thing covers my awesome crest. That's my trademark. Who needs these fancy feathers? Nobody's got a better do than yours truly.
Come on, come on. Daddy needs a new set of feathers.
Hey, kid, catch! Come on, guys, let's rock this carnival!
Why not? I got my strutting feathers on. Yeah.